In this video, we will be discussing about worksheet 2, second question and third question. Second question, use the correct mathematical symbol for the following number lines. So, here is a number line given to you and some calculations are given on the number line, and that you have to see and you have to write in the mathematical form. So, the first one, if you see, it is taken directly over here. So, this is what is the value? You are moved from 0 to 5. So, this is plus 5. And then, here, if you observe, minus of minus 2 is a negative integer is subtracted from 5. Negative integer subtracted from 5 will be moving towards the right side. It is moved towards the right side. When it will be moved towards the right side? When a positive integer is added to it, or when a negative integer is subtracted from it. So, a negative integer that it is taken for 2 steps. So, it is minus 2 you can write. So, this is your mathematical symbol, and this can be written as 5 minus minus 2 is 7. And for the second problem, if you look into it, for the second problem, it is given like this. Minus 3 minus of minus 5. So now, in this first one you are taken minus 3, and here it is subtracted from minus 5 is subtracted from minus 3, and therefore it is moved towards the right side, and this value can be written as minus 3 and this is plus 5. So here plus 2 will be coming as your result. Finally you are reaching this point. Okay, children. So coming to the third problem, if you take. So here, before we going to the third problem, we can discuss some points. So let us say, when two numbers are given to you to simplify. Third problem, simplify. Minus 452. First one, children. Minus 327. So, when two numbers are given and asked to do addition or subtraction, okay, there is no specifically mentioned here. When the numbers are given like this, first you try to remove all the brackets. If at all any symbol is there before the bracket, then if it is okay, the symbol is negative symbol. Remember children, negative symbol before brackets changes to opposite sign. Opposite sign, negative symbol is there. So, minus is there, again minus. In this problem you can see, a negative sign is there, so it changes to positive. If positive sign is there, positive symbol before the brackets, will not affect the symbol in the brackets. So this is your first point and this is your second point. Remember children, if negative symbol is there before the brackets, changes, okay, before the brackets, changes the sign symbol to opposite sign. If positive symbol is before the brackets, then it will not affect the symbol in the brackets. So here bracket is there, bracket before nothing is there means positive, you can take it as minus 4, 5, 2 and minus 3, 2, 7. If both of them, if both the values are having the same symbols before them, then same symbols or same signs, both negative or positive, add the values. Okay? If one is negative and other is positive, subtract the values. If one is positive, both of them are negative or positive, add the values. If one is negative and another is positive, then subtract the values and assign the sign that is given to the greater value, whatever the case it is, whether both of them are negative, both of them are positive, whether one is negative and one is positive, you can assign the negative. So coming to here, both of them are negative, so 452 and 327, add up. You can add up the values. So 7 plus 2 is 9, 2 plus 5 is 7, 3 plus 4 is 7, and the symbol is negative. Coming to the second sum. 25 minus of minus 750. So now first remove the brackets. Removing this negative sign is there, it will change it to positive. So 750. That will make it 775. The greater value has positive sign. That's it. You can do like this, you can do the remaining sums also. So now I am going to the third sum, which is minus 50 minus 450 minus 70. Minus 50 minus 450 minus 700. So this is the values. So first thing, you remove the brackets. Minus 50, minus is there before the bracket, so it will become plus 450, and minus is there as it is, no brackets are given, so this is the value. Now add up the similar things which are having. So this is 700 minus 50. So minus 700 minus 50 will become minus 750 and plus 450. Now this value minus 750 plus 450. So greater value is having negative sign. Opposite signs are there before the digit numbers. So subtract the value. You will be getting 300 as the value. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 5 0. 7 minus 4 3. 300. Coming to the next one. Fourth one. Similarly, you can continue and complete the sums, children. Thank you.